the blended tomato, pepper, onion, and garlic. Okay. Fried chicken. And then some fish powder. Pour the okra inside. Hi, let's serve ourselves. This is the banku. Let's eat while I tell you about what happened today. Today is Saturday, and I went for a friend's funeral. Let me pray first. So today is Saturday, so I went for a friend's father's funeral, and a friend dropped me somewhere along the line, and I went to the market and got some few stuff to come and cook this okro. So I got to the bus stop to. You are invited. I go to the bus stop to take a trotro to the house. One trotro stopped, and what I saw in the trotro, it's so interesting. This Accra, the kind of things that I will see in this Accra, the kind of things I will see in Trotro in Accra. Someone who had a wheelbarrow was sitting in the Trotro with a wheelbarrow, but he had booked one seat for the wheelbarrow, and the handle of the wheelbarrow was at the back of that seat. So imagine going to sit at the back. The person was sitting directly at the back of where the wheelbarrow was, had the two handles on both sides. So one was on this ear and one was on the other ear. And the wheelbarrow was in front on the front seat at the back of directly at the back of the driver. And then the owner of the wheelbarrow was sitting beside it. So if you go to sit at the back of the wheelbarrow, it means that you have to be careful so that your head doesn't touch the wheelbarrow in the trotro. So interesting. And you wonder why people don't just take a drop-in or maybe a truck to carry those things to where they are going. But sometimes it may be because of financial, they might not have that enough money to hire a truck to bring it home. So they manage to bring it anyway through the trotro. Sometimes you see someone with a generator, AC. There was once I saw someone with a 60-inch TV. Even that, the person didn't buy an extra seat to have that luxury to even put the TV on beside or on a seat so that one side of the TV will be on the leg. No, he made sure that everybody sat on the seat and the TV was on her. Hey, like it was so uncomfortable. All those who were sitting there were like, ah, madam, why don't you take a taxi to the house? I'm sure a lot of you have come across those things, like things that people bring on the Trotro when they are going home. They buy from the market, and when they are going home, various things. You see TV, some today I saw a wheelbarrow, which was very interesting because a wheelbarrow is that big. How can you put a wheelbarrow in a Trotro? Do you want to inconvenience people? Please, you have come across anything that is so extraordinary that you saw in a Trotro when you sat in a Trotro? Comment it down there and let me read it. Today I saw a wheelbarrow. There was a time I saw someone carrying a TV. Like, the person didn't buy an extra seat. He just put it in front of her. In fact, people around her were just feeling so uncomfortable, but they didn't care. You see people with kids, like about 3 or 4 kids, and the person wants all of them to sit on them. I don't know why. At least if you know you're going out with all these kids, why don't you make arrangement to have at least an extra cash so that the kids will also feel a little comfortable? You come and inconvenience other people in the car. Now they will be begging people to please let one sit on your laps. I don't think it should be encouraged. Please write down there, write anything you have seen in a Trotro that is very interesting in the comment section and let me read. That's what I saw today. It's so interesting and funny. The kind of things I will see in this Accra. Someone will say only judge can God. Only God can judge. I will see things in this Accra and my Trotro. These are some of my Trotro diaries. I will share them here. We have also seen something that is very interesting. Something we want to share. Some things that people carry along when they are coming to take a Trotro that sometimes look so inconvenient. Comment it in the comment section. Write it there and let me also read some. So I will laugh. I have to make a video about the girl who came to knock at my door around 10 p.m. the other time. I owe you a video. Don't worry, I will do it for you. I will do a video on that incident for you to hear. Okay. I'll see you in the next video. I want to read comments. Whatever you have seen in a Trotro that is so interesting, write them in the comment section and let me read. Okay. See you in the next video. Subscribe to this channel. Bye. Let me enjoy my food. Okay. You are invited. Bye. Bye bye.